It's an all too familiar scene. You're sitting there, minding your own business, when out of the blue, bam! It's the electric bill this month. You open it, and to your horror, it's even more expensive than last month. You wonder how this could be, and then you realize it's the air conditioning. You sit there in disbelief, and while you're wondering just how much of an impact your AC is taking on the environment, you realize, man, it's way too hot in here.
The central air system we all know was made in 1931. It has cooled millions of homes and has made many areas in the hot summers a lot more comfortable. But with rising energy prices and with the new understanding we now know of environmental impacts, AC has been becoming a less than ideal solution to our cooling needs. An average HVAC system burns around 1.4 pounds of coal per hour. With a bigger push than ever to lower emissions, we need to find a solution to mitigate this issue. In some areas, AC isn't even an option, necessitating alternatives that much more. We set out to develop a solution to this problem through many iterations, brainstorming, and prototyping. We have believed to come up with an easy-to-use, low-cost solution to this problem, which we call ANYSTAT.
ANYSTAT is a universal thermostat. It allows temperature control of any existing remote control fan or other cooling system. Its small and elegant design makes it an easy addition to any household. With its mounting screws on the back, installation is a breeze. ANYSTAT works by pretending to be your fan's remote control, sending signals to turn on when the room gets too hot and off when the temperature cools down. It's done with an IR receiver module on board, which is the most common type of remote control on the market. If you happen to not own an IR-enabled fan, a quality unit will only set you back about $70. For easy use, a display shows the room temperature, and adjusting the knob adjusts the set temperature. Pressing the action button turns on ANYSTAT, and it will begin regulating the temperature. To signal your fan, an external signal LED is included. Simply plug it into the port and point it in the general direction of the fan. On board, an ESP32 microcontroller handles all inputs and outputs, and DHT20 temperature sensor gives accurate temperature readings within half a degree. As we prepare to bring this product to market, a few improvements are planned. Adding a mounting spot on ANYSTAT to put the signal LED will make the device more self-contained. And using the built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi functionality of the ESP32, we will create an app for remote control of the thermostat along with setting schedules and being able to view historical, temperature, and humidity trends in your room. This is ANYSTAT.